Welcome to Jack and Mia family. Come learn English with us.
So smooth.
Come on, where are you? Oh, it was right here last night. She was here.
It has to be Mia. Mia, did you take my controller?
No, Jack. I didn't.
You came to my room. It's gone now. You must have it.
That's not fair. I don't like unfair accusations. Come on, where are you?
Nothing. Seriously?
It's not fair. I didn't do it.
Okay, slow down.
Look for facts before you judge. Top to bottom. No skipping. Not here. Keep going. Wait!
Every pocket, all the way. Mia, I found it. I found it. Wait, it was me. It was in my backpack. I was wrong.
Thank you for telling me.
I'm sorry for blaming you. That wasn't fair.
Okay. I forgive you. Next time, let's look together first.
Watch this part. It's so silly.
Family rule? Yeah. We'll search first and speak kindly.